Welcome to Richard Wolf. I'd like to introduce you to our brand new Vipaq system. Today, videoscopes are no longer special in technical quality assurance. But with Vipaq, we can provide you with decisive advantages. Vipaq means mobility, flexibility and independence because... Oh, I'd best show you myself. In here is all you need. The Vipaq videoscope is fitted with a USB jack. A camera controller becomes obsolete. As a video platform, almost any typical laptop is suitable. Even the light source makes no difference. Operational! That's real mobility. The computer is one's companion anyway, and the rest of the equipment can be stored in the same bag. And now, you'd like to know what I meant by flexibility. Well, data is digitally transferred to the computer. So, I can record, edit, export, and mail it. That is all you would do with digital data. There, I located an interesting spot and recorded it. Thanks to the latest PC technology and the internet, I'm now able to send the footage directly to the French engineer by email. Oh la la! And also to the customer consortium, for instance. Very well. Of course, I can also view the video image on a normal video monitor. The device is fitted with the necessary interface accordingly. Maximum flexibility thanks to digital technology and versatile interfaces. Leaves only but independence to talk about. First of all, I don't need mains connection for my platform. The light source and laptop run on battery power. And... oops. Okay, that may happen every once in a while. In this case, it's no big deal because, as I said, it's a typical laptop. Nothing special, that is. It's replaced without much ado. And you're ready to go again. Same goes for the light source. And the videoscope? No need for alarm. Richard Wolf videoscopes are very robust in design. See, that's how Vipaq makes you independent. So, what do you say? The system is ultra compact and, if needed, independent from mains connection. A laptop is at hand anyway. The data is recorded, processed and made accessible without further effort. Integration into any system is problem-free, and defective components are replaced in no time. Vipaq. Mobile, flexible, independent. It's got all you need.